Built to last and developed on the rugged terrain of the Irish countryside, the McHale product range is known throughout the world for durability, reliability, innovation and value for money. A number of years ago, McHale brought a high-specification integrated baler wrapper to the marketplace, the McHale Fusion. Due to the success of the McHale Fusion, a demand was created for a high-specification range of fixed and variable chamber balers. After completing our F5 fixed chamber baler range, our design team focused on the variable chamber balers. Working closely with high-end variable chamber baler operators from around the world, McHale have developed and tested the V660 high-output variable chamber baler. Starting at the front of the machine, the V660 is equipped with a split-drive gearbox, which ensures that power is evenly distributed between the belts in the bale chamber, which are driven from the left, and the pickup and chopper unit, which are driven from the right-hand side of the machine. The crop is taken in by a 2-metre high-capacity pickup. The crop compression roller on the machine evens out lumps in the swarth, aids crop flow and reduces the risk of blockages. The pickup is fitted with lateral feed augers that smoothly guide the crop into the chopping unit. The crop then passes through to the chopping unit. The standard chopping unit on this machine features 15 knives and boasts a heavy-duty rotor and comb. The chop length can be made longer by simply removing some knives from the chopper unit. The knives can be raised and lowered from the tractor cab, allowing the machine to make chopped or unchopped bales in line with the operator's preference. When working with the 15 knives activated, a theoretical chop length of 65 mm can be achieved. Because baling conditions aren't always ideal, uneven swarths can occur which can lead to blockages. On the McHale V660 baler, the main drive chain is protected by a slip clutch protection on the PTO. Should a blockage occur, the sound of the slip clutch alerts the operator, who can hydraulically lower the floor from the tractor cab and feed the blockage through. The floor can then be reset and baling can resume. Depending on user requirements and crop conditions, both the number of layers of net used and bale density can be easily adjusted from the control console. When the chamber is full, a beeper on the control box sounds, alerting the operator, who pauses on the swarth and net is applied to the bale. Initially, the net tension bars pivot forward, which allows the net to feed into the chamber unrestricted. Once the net comes into contact with the bale, the net tension bars pivot back, applying maximum tension, allowing the net to be stretched, ensuring a tight, neat finished bale and maximum net usage. The bale chamber on the V660 baler is comprised of 3 heavy-duty endless belts. The belts are extremely hard-wearing and are reinforced with synthetic material. The V660 baler can make a bale from 0.7 metres or 2 feet 4 inches to 1.68 metres or 5 feet 6 inches. The bale chamber on the McHale V660 has a double drive. In more difficult conditions, such as short wet grass, if the primary drive slips slightly, the secondary drive will engage to aid belt and material rotation. The tailgate on the V660 is fitted with a pair of mechanical locks, which keep the bale chamber securely closed. These locks remain activated until the preset bale size and density have been reached. After netting, the locks release and allow the tailgate to open, releasing the high-density bale. Grease can be applied to the main bearings through a number of centralized greasing blocks. The following bearings can be greased: bale chamber drive side, bale chamber non-drive side, rotor bearings drive and non-drive side, and pickup drive gears. The oiler on the V660 is driven off the gearbox. Once the PTO is engaged, the machine starts to oil the chains. The machine oils the chamber drive side chains, pickup chains, rotor chain, and cam track. The cab-mounted Expert Plus control console is the operator's link to this efficient machine. The Expert Plus control console features a large graphic display, bale size adjustment, in-cab net adjustment, in-cab density adjustment, knife control, drop floor unblocking control, various bale counts, and tailgate indicator. The McHale V660 is designed and built to exacting standards. Its ruggedness, reliability and adaptability ensure maximum baling efficiency for today's farming and contracting needs.